Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here to talk about Epilings and their eye-opening mascara. What's really great about this product is it has deep pigmentation of black is the one that I have here. It is really good in lengthening your eyelashes so you have a wider opening eye. And it also has really great benefits. So this product and all the other products are vegan, cruelty-free, and they're gluten-free. What is also great about this product is I know some people are kind of scared of putting things by their eyes, but everything in this product is 100% organic, so it's not going to infect you and you're not going to get any irritation. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this, I'm going to show you how it's done, and I'm going to show you the effects of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the mascara and make sure you do not pump the mascara, which I mean is putting air into the tube because that's actually going to dry out your mascara faster. So you're going to take your mascara wand and then you're going to start from the corner of your eye and work your way up and do a little shaking motion to make sure you break up your lashes as you're going up and do a constant apply. You can close your eye as you shake at the same time. Just be careful because you don't want to make a mess. You don't want to smear. And when you go from the outer corner of your eye to the inner corner of your eye, make sure you don't close your eyes too tight and make sure the mascara dries before you apply anything else. So there you have it. I actually really enjoy the Epilings eye-opening mascara because it did what it promised. It really opened my eyes. I have luxurious lashes now, and the deep pigmentation, you can definitely see a difference that I'm wearing the black mascara on my eyes. So what you can do is you can check out this product and many more products that we have at epilinkscosmetics.com. Check out the mascara, and I'll see you guys later.